We've got earnings season coming up in a few weeks, and already we've had some real positive results from FedEx and from Oracle. Should investors be excited? What's going on? Is it going to be a good earnings season?
Well, for a market that's essentially gone up virtually unabated for the first 3 months of the year almost, earnings season can certainly be an inflection point. You have some people who will sell into earnings. You have others who will be buying or selling based on what figures come out of earnings. You referenced FedEx and Oracle. We got reports from both this week that were stronger than analysts expected. The forecasts were pretty strong in terms of solid economic growth. On the Oracle side, you're talking about tech spending by businesses, which can be a big benefit for the technology sector when you're talking about software, hardware that companies are buying. And for FedEx, that's transportation, that's shipment of packages, and that's a great economic bellwether. And the fact that their earnings were so much stronger than last year is just a sign that the global economy is in better shape. Are we going gangbusters? No, but things are definitely in better shape than they were a year ago.
When the economy heats up, people get worried about inflation, and we've already been watching oil prices move up. What do you think?
One of the things we're going to watch in first quarter earnings is how do companies react to the increase in oil prices during the first 3 months of this year. We saw a big jump in February. We haven't seen that come into the numbers yet because companies haven't reported results for that period. We're going to see it. We're going to see the impact of $100 oil. The consensus view is that the economy can withstand higher oil prices for a certain period of time. Then it starts to feed through into inflation. It starts to hit consumers. Lower income consumers tend to be more affected because gasoline's a bigger element of their household spending. I don't expect in this quarterly earnings season to see any big red flags or any alarms come, but that's something, if oil prices stay like this for a long time. Today, my colleague Agostino wrote a story about ConAgra Foods, which is already warning that their results were still pretty good, but they are certainly seeing some commodity inflation. So that'll be an interesting thing to watch as we get into earnings season.
So kind of a bullish signal, but cautiously bullish because of the threat of inflation.
I think you have to be cautiously bullish because of inflation and also because of how much this market has rallied this year. It's going to take a really blockbuster earnings season to see the same kind of rally for the next 3 months that we had for the last 3 months. Doesn't mean it can't happen. Does mean you have to be a little bit wary about some of the numbers that are going to come out.